Bitter kola, also known as Garcinia kola, or should we say Bitter kola, is a plant native to Central and West Africa. This means countries such as Cameroon, Nigeria all have this plant. Speaking for Cameroon, most of the local markets have this particular type of kola. This is one of the trends in Cameroon that no one gets to speak about, because bitter kola is everywhere. Be you seated at a bar, be you seated in the market, most times in your homes. Some people might bear gifts and bitter kola might just be one of the gifts. To make things easy, bitter kola is now hawked on the streets of Cameroon. In most cases, it is hawked alongside tiger kola. It is often hawked with this in a black bucket. When traveling, people often sell it on the streets, and if your boss can be accessed easily, people walk in with it to sell. It is often paired with herbs like ginger, cloves, grain of selim, and many more. In other cases, I have shown you guys how to make bitter kola tea, bitter kola syrup. Please do make sure to consult your doctor before having this. I'll link some of the videos in the description box where I explain some of the side effects of bitter kola. Now, to preserve bitter kola, we are going to wrap in plastics. You must not have this particular kind of plastic. You can use even a plastic wrap-on, a plastic bag. Tie it firmly. Some people even put it in brown envelopes after tying in a plastics. Other times when you buy in the market, they tie in this blue plastic, but just proceed to transfer into an airtight container. Whichever type of container is good. You see bitter kola, you just need to make sure to wrap it properly so air does not get into it. It is going to remain fresh and extremely crunchy. Preservation or storage when it comes to bitter kola is very, very important, because if you let air get to it, it makes it very hard, and in other cases it starts to change color. It is strong. I mean, sometimes to break it might be too difficult. Bitter kola has a lot of benefits, and I'll be sharing some of it with you. However, based on my observations, there are times where you tend to buy bitter kola and it is not extremely bitter compared to the other one you might buy. I mean, sometimes it is extremely bitter, other times you eat it and it is just there. In traditional medicine, which I urge you to strongly consult your doctor first before consuming bitter kola, most people tend to take bitter kola when they feel nauseous. You feel as to vomit. Hence the reason why when it comes to bitter kola, its market is on the streets, because people are always traveling, and sometimes some people suffer from withdrawals. Which brings us to the second. Most times bitter kola aids in digestion. It is said that bitter kola contains some antibacterial as well as anti-malaria properties. It is also said that bitter kola helps to fight cough. Some people tend to chew it with sugar to this effect, and I strongly urge you to please consult your doctor. Research shows that bitter kola contains some compounds which helps to lower blood pressure. According to my experience, bitter kola helps ward off hunger pangs. This is my personal experience and it might differ. Placing bitter kola in here, bitter kola tree is said to help drive away snakes. Please help me in the comment section. What do you know about bitter kola? What do you think it is used for? What have you heard about it? In most of the local markets in Cameroon today, most people walk around with bitter kola eye drop. They are hawking it. It is said that it helps prevent cataract, thereby promoting healthy vision. Let me know, have you seen it? Have you perhaps seen it? Did you buy it? What do you know about it? Let me know. I also want to know. I am inquisitive. In most cases, I have seen people eat bitter kola during meetings. They often pair it with palm wine, also called matango. I have a video on my channel on the benefits of palm wine, so if you do not know what I refer to as matango or palm wine, you can check it out there. Most traditional meetings, bitter kola is being served, and most times when you visit an elderly person, bitter kola is in most of their homes. Now, I also know something about bitter kola, which is most people who travel out of the country tend to pack it. they tend to wrap it and travel with it. So in another video, I'll be showing you how to export bitter kola, how to make bitter kola powder. Thank God we are in the dry season. So this is me showing you how to eat bitter kola. In most cases, I tend to peel it before eating. In other cases, I tend to eat alongside the skin. The skin has its own taste. Personally, I've had a first-hand experience with bitter kola when it comes to running stomach. However, the water had soaked my bitter kola in. I proceeded to drink it this morning. You are advised to consult your doctor because if you are on treatment, having bitter kola might interfere with your procedure. Bitter kola tree is often planted in most compounds, but due to the size of this tree, most people tend to plant it in big and spacious farms because it covers a lot of space. The benefits of bitter kola are not just limited to the nut itself. The bark of the tree as well as the leaves are included. Also, one thing I noticed about bitter kola farming in Cameroon is that it is highly profitable. Almost everybody on the streets is selling bitter kola. Bitter kola is practically a street snack. Now you can tie your bitter kola in Ziploc bags as well. Just find yourself a Ziploc plastic, place your bitter kola in it, and it is set for exportation. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.